Yo, what's up? It is Instant Greymind here, and I'm here to show you how I take care of slime molds. I already made video about this, but it had much less content compared to this one video, and also it had awful edit. So I decided to make it again. So enjoy this video. So for the agar, we are using this. This is my agar, and this is distilled water. And here we can measure how grams we have here. And I'm going to pour this agar to it. Okay, this is okay. This is like 0.06 of gram more. This is my magnetic stirrer. I can pour the water here. I can turn it on. I'll give it a max. Now I will use this agar, just this much. I will stir it a bit, and later I will use it for the boiling. Okay, I heated this up, and now I can pour the water here with the agar. Yeah, this is fucked. Okay. That's better, definitely. Yeah, so it seems like I did not pay attention at my school, and my math is bad. You need like 4 grams per 200 of milliliters of distilled water, because you need 2% of agar in the mixture. So yeah, I will add some again here. Then you will wait till it starts to boil and gets more slimy, and I usually stir it till my method stops working. So yeah, we had problem with the recording now, and we did not record the how I pour it here, but you just need to pour this slimy thing. This is the agar, as you can see. It gets much more slimy than it was before, and we'll pour it to the petri dishes and let cover it so it will stay sterile, because when it was boiling, most of the organisms get killed, and when you cover it, no more organisms, or much less of organisms will come here. I have still some plasmodium on the agar here, on the old agar, so we can use this agar. I will put it in this agar again. We will get here some oat flakes and so on, and it can proliferate. And yeah, we need now to let it solidify and cool down. Yo, so I put it pure filter paper here as a substrate for the slime mold, and I put it some oat flakes here also, and I sprayed it with this bottle which is filled with distilled water. So I just spread it so all of it will get wet. Yeah, and as you can see, the agar is a bit cooled down. It now looks like this, and I put the old agar here, yeah, agar also, with some of the slime mold here. This is the plasmodium of slime mold. This should be physarum polycephalus, if I'm not mistaken. And I will put here also some old flakes so it can eat. Always try, please, to put one on the plasmodium here so it can eat already, and other ones around it. I put one here, but as I sprayed it, it just gets somewhere else, so I need to put it back. Some oat flakes on the plasmodium here also, and now from those which are with the filter paper, I will make more active plasmodium, and when it will infiltrate the oat flakes, I will take this this contaminated oat flake with the plasmodium. I will take it here on the agar petri dish, and then I will add more oat flakes, and so it can more grow on the other place. Now, and I will just let it grow here. Yeah, and as you will do this, you just need to put it on some dark place, like my drawer here. I use my drawer mostly for slime molds, as you can see, and I always sign them like physarum polycephalum, or those two are for Badhemia utricularis. So yeah, completely dark, or at least dark enough. Yo, what's up? So it is the next day, and the plasmodiums start to be active. Like, this is the physarum polycephalum, and this is Badhemia utricularis. As you can see here, the physarum polycephalum tried to escape from the petri dish. As you can see, this plasmodium doesn't wake up of physarum polycephalum, which was on the old agar. Now we are going to transfer those plasmodiums to other petri dishes. After that, we will just wait another day or only few hours. This is what happens only in one night. This is here from yesterday. This is what are we gonna transfer. This is contaminated oat flake with the physarum polycephalum plasmodium. So I'm gonna take it and put it on some agar. I'm gonna wipe it with a tissue so I don't get this contamination of physarum polycephalum to Badhemia utricularis. So this is Badhemia utricularis, right? And so we are going now to give it some more of food. That's, I think, actually enough. Now we are going to put them back in the dark, and we'll wait about for a few hours. We can use the microscope and we can observe it. Physarum polycephalum grows a little bit, as you can see, and because I used agar, I can now see it under the microscope. I have the microscope right here, and I'll put it here. I'm going to put this petri dish under the microscope right here, and as you can see on the screen, we can see it here. This is the channels. You can see those are the nuclei which are passing through the channels. You have the you have the petri dish just like this, and that's everything. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and that's everything from me. And if you have any questions about how I care about slime molds, or any different questions related to the slime molds, just leave them in the comments. Bye, and see you later.